This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Please stand by for an important message from the Prime Minister. Citizens of the United Kingdom, this is a moment we have worked tirelessly to avoid. In the face of mounting aggression and the breakdown of diplomatic solutions, the conflict has escalated to global proportions. As of 10:30 this morning, the United Kingdom is in a state of emergency. The safety and security of our nation and its people remain our utmost priority. Moments ago, the Russian Federation issued a direct threat to the United Kingdom, warning of the potential use of nuclear weapons. This is a threat we take with the utmost seriousness. However, I want to assure you that we are not alone. The United States has responded swiftly, making it unequivocally clear that any nuclear aggression will be met with a decisive and proportional response. Together with our NATO allies, we stand united against this unprecedented challenge. Key affected areas, London and the South East, heightened security measures at critical infrastructure, including Heathrow Airport, the Houses of Parliament, and power plants. Evacuation orders for densely populated areas, and guidance for citizens on locating underground shelters. Scotland and the North, strategic military installations, such as the naval base at Dover, home to the UK's nuclear deterrent, placed on high alert. Temporary shelters established in rural areas to accommodate evacuees from urban centres. Wales and the South West, major ports and shipping lanes, such as Bristol and Cardiff, monitored closely for potential maritime threats, preparations for receiving displaced citizens and organising relief efforts. Northern Ireland, additional military forces deployed to ensure border security and maintain stability. Cross-border coordination with the Republic of Ireland to address humanitarian needs. The Prime Minister outlines immediate safety measures, including the distribution of iodine tablets to protect against radiation and the activation of air raid sirens in major cities. Citizens are advised to collect all supplies necessary to survive for a minimum of 14 days, including non-perishable food, bottled water, medicine, and first aid supplies. Once the strike occurs, it will not be safe to leave your shelter for at least 14 days due to the dangers of nuclear fallout. Fallout is an extremely dangerous radioactive gas that can contaminate the air, water, and surfaces. All individuals are urged to take shelter in basements or the most central and windowless rooms of their homes to minimize exposure. Avoid non-essential travel and tune in to emergency broadcasts for further updates. The broadcast transitions to field reporters stationed across the country, providing updates on the situation. Scenes show citizens queuing for supplies, military convoys moving through streets, and communities coming together in acts of solidarity. Attention! Attack warning red, attack warning red, attack warning red. Seek immediate shelter. This is not a drill. Attack warning red.